Welcome to Fast Lane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of Google Cloud and showing you how to go from a beginner to a pro in no time. Are you ready to master Google Cloud fundamentals? Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is Google Cloud? Well, it's a suite of cloud computing services that allows you to build, test, and deploy applications on Google's infrastructure. Basically, it's a way to store and access your data and applications in the cloud rather than on your physical devices. And with Google's powerful infrastructure, you can trust that your data will be secure and accessible at all times. Now, as a beginner, the thought of mastering Google Cloud may seem daunting. But fear not, because we're here to break it down for you. The key to mastering Google Cloud is understanding its fundamental concepts. This includes understanding the different services offered, such as Google Compute Engine, Google Cloud Storage, and Google Kubernetes Engine. You also need to familiarize yourself with key terms like virtual machines, containers, and clusters. But here's the key insight. The best way to truly master Google Cloud is to get hands-on experience. Sure, you can watch countless tutorials and read through documentation, but the best way to learn is by doing. And luckily, Google offers free trials and credits for new users, so you can test out different services and get a feel for the platform without breaking the bank. So, what are some practical tips for mastering Google Cloud? First, start by identifying your specific needs and goals. This will help you determine which services to focus on and how to best utilize them for your projects. Next, take advantage of Google's extensive documentation and community forums. These resources are a treasure trove of information and can help you troubleshoot any issues you may encounter. Another tip is to take advantage of Google's training and certification programs. These programs offer in-depth courses and exams to prove your expertise in Google Cloud. And with the increasing demand for professionals skilled in cloud computing, having a certification can give you a competitive edge in the job market. So there you have it. The key to mastering Google Cloud is understanding its fundamental concepts, getting hands-on experience, and utilizing available resources. And if you're ready to take your tech skills to the next level, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Don't forget to check out our Google Cloud Fundamentals course, where we dive deeper into the platform and help you become a pro in no time. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. See you in the cloud.